Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're like me, finding a liquid lipstick that can actually go the distance without having to constantly reapply feels like a holy grail search. So today, we're going to talk about the Revlon ColorStay Ultimate Liquid Lipstick in the shade 035 Iconic Iris. This little tube promises up to 24 hours of wear, a satin finish, and food-proof, transfer-proof color. But does it live up to all that hype? Let's dive in. So first off, the Revlon ColorStay Ultimate Liquid Lipstick is all about long-lasting performance. It's designed to provide full coverage with just one coat. No need for a top coat, which is always a bonus in my book. The satin finish is supposed to give you that beautiful velvet texture without being overly dry or glossy, which is pretty much what we all want in a liquid lip, right? It comes in 12 shades, offering a pretty diverse range, from soft nudes to bolder reds, pinks, and purples. So there's something here for everyone. Now, I don't know about you, but I've tested a lot of liquid lipsticks, and one thing I look for is whether or not it lives up to the 24-hour claim. Well, here's the real deal. The ColorStay liquid lipstick did not disappoint in terms of longevity. I wore it for an entire day, and the color barely budged, even after eating and drinking. The formula is truly transfer-proof. I was pretty impressed with how it stayed intact throughout a meal, a coffee, and even a little snack. It's definitely food-proof and works well with any activity that usually tends to wipe out other lipsticks. As for the texture, the product glides on smoothly with zero tugging. It's easy to apply and dries down to a comfortable satin finish, not as drying as some other Longwear lipsticks, which can feel tight or uncomfortable. This one strikes that sweet spot of having enough moisture to keep your lips from feeling like the Sahara, but still sets enough to give you that lasting power. It feels comfortable, but I will say, after several hours, it does feel like it's still there. It's not going to fade away or flake off, but it's not going to feel as weightless as a regular lip balm either. Now let's talk about pros and cons. For the pros, the long-lasting formula really is a standout feature. We're talking 24 hours of wear. So if you've got a busy day ahead or you don't want to worry about your lipstick, this product really holds up. The full coverage color is another highlight. You don't need to keep building it up to get the desired opacity. Plus, the satin finish looks really polished without being too glossy. But on the flip side, one thing to keep in mind is that because it's long-wearing, removal can be a bit tricky. You'll definitely need a good makeup remover to get it off completely. Don't expect it to wipe away easily with just a tissue. It's also not as hydrating as a lip balm, so if you have extremely dry lips, you might want to prep your lips with a balm underneath. I also noticed that after a few hours, it can feel a little there, meaning it doesn't completely feel like you're not wearing anything. In terms of value for money, I'd say this product is a pretty solid buy. At this price point, it's giving you that long-lasting wear, plus the coverage you'd expect from a higher-end liquid lipstick. Sure, there are other lipsticks out there that do the same thing, but this one really holds up throughout the day, which is not something you find every day. If you're looking for something that won't break the bank, but can give you that full day wear, this one is definitely worth considering. I did a little comparison with other long-lasting lipsticks in the same price range, and this one definitely stands out for its 24-hour claim. Some of the alternatives I've tried either fade quickly or don't deliver that full coverage in one swipe. This product gives you that perfect balance between performance and affordability, and it's definitely one of the better options in this category. As far as build quality goes, the packaging is standard for a liquid lipstick. Nothing too fancy, but it feels sturdy and compact enough for easy portability. It's a practical design that won't take up too much space in your makeup bag. One more thing, if you're sensitive to customer service experiences, Revlon has a pretty solid reputation when it comes to resolving customer inquiries and issues. I haven't had to contact them for this product, but the brand overall is known for taking care of their customers. Now, if this lipstick is a little out of your budget, or you're just looking for something in the same vein but cheaper, there are other great liquid lipsticks available like the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. It also offers long wear and comes in a wide range of colors, though it may feel a tad more drying. If you can stretch your budget You could also try something like the Fenty Beauty Stunna Lip Paint, which has a similar satin finish and long-lasting formula, but with a higher price tag. So after testing the Revlon ColorStay Ultimate Liquid Lipstick in 035 Iconic Iris, I can confidently say this product does deliver on its promises. It's not the most hydrating liquid lip you'll find, but it makes up for that in staying power and color payoff. If you're someone who needs their lip color to last through meals, meetings, and everything in between, this one might be your new best friend. If this review helped you, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to make sure you don't miss any of our future reviews here at Beautyistic. Your support helps us keep bringing you honest, detailed reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and let us know in the comments if you've tried the Revlon ColorStay Liquid Lipstick. What's your experience with Longwear lipsticks? Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.